Hello everyone, this is JJ Handy once again, making a video about an issue that I've seen that a lot of people that have the Astro van, this is the 2005, are having an issue with a squeaky noise coming from the engine. It's a very ghosty noise, very grinding, squeaky. And I noticed that a lot of people are trying to diagnose this issue and trying to find the solution. So basically what I did trying to fix the problem, I didn't waste the money, but I did, did extra work that I didn't want it to do. So the noise got too loud. So it was time for me to seriously get the solution resolved. And what I ended up doing, I actually changed the water pump. My water pump was having a little bit of issue, not that much, but not enough for me to replace it. The other thing that I replaced was the tensioner and the idler pulley. But just want to let you know that that did not resolve the issue. I'll see if I can find another video that I have in which the noise was very loud, and it did not get resolved by me replacing those parts. So finally, I took everything off. I might add it in a different video, but I took everything off and spray it with WD-40 or whatever I could find. And finally, what I determined is that the belt that I had on this van, I bought it from a store which I don't remember, but I know it was a new belt. And I took everything off. I took the belt off the engine and just ran it like that, and there was no noise coming from the engine. So I didn't got too excited, because we all know that when the belt is not on, it's not putting pressure on these pulleys and stuff like that. So don't start celebrating yet. So what I did, I went ahead and purchased a new belt from a different brand, and I put it on. And what I found out is that the old belt, it's a quarter of an inch longer than the new belt, a quarter of an inch. Now, I don't know if that's how much the old belt stretched throughout time, but this is not that old. I mean, as you guys can see, this is still in very good shape. I'm actually going to try to find out who did I get it from. But a quarter of an inch is too long. It's too much difference. And I don't think that time was the one that stretched it that long. So I think this belt over here was originally longer than that other one, than the new one that I put on. And I got the new one from O'Reilly. And this one here, I know I've replaced it. I just don't remember. It's been less than a year. But anyway, so basically what I'm trying to say at the end of everything that I'm saying is that the bell seems to make a difference on this squeaky noise that I was having. It was very loud, and I was not able, I did everything possible. And finally I replaced the belt, and that resolved the issue. Now, I do not know, I ran it already for like almost an hour, and the squeak did not came back. So I'm just going to start I'm going to start it again and let it warm up a little bit, and see if that's going to make it different. But as of right now, the belt, changing the belt, did resolve the issue. So we'll see. So I've been running it for a little bit now, and before, by now, the engine would be doing a lot of squeaking and a lot of not grinding, but a lot of squeaky noise, and it'll just go up and down, up and down. So as of right now, the noise has not come back yet after I replaced the belt. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that the new belt is 1/4 of an inch shorter than the old belt. 1/4 of an inch. So that makes the new belt a little bit shorter than the old one. So just keep that in mind for those who are having this issue. For me, it was the belt. So I might keep you guys posted if the noise ever come back. But as of right now, nothing yet as far as the noise. Hope that this resolve the issue for those people that are having the problem.